we going this morning?
Islands of Adventure.
Hagrid's. What are you most excited for today?
I really want to ride Velocicoaster and Hagrid's Motorbike because those are the 2 rides I've never been on.
Yeah.
All right, that's exciting.
Love it.
I feel like, oh, I don't know. Hogwarts, I think, even though I did it the other day, I want to do it again. The adventure of the kids.
What did everyone think?
It's so much fun. I love that coaster.
How was it?
So good.
Did you love it?
It was wild.
Was that your first time?
No, second time, but still wild.
How was
I
it?
think you could do it. It's not that bad.
Really?
Not to say you should, but I think you could.
So you liked it?
I loved it. I thought it's very smooth. Have you been at home?
No.
It's less intense than home. I loved it.
What'd you think, Bruce?
Took my breath away. Yeah, it was good. What a way to wake up in the morning. So,
Better than your coffee.
well, that in combination with coffee, you're ready to go.
Ready to go.
I do that
How
every
to?
work day. Yeah.
That's how to start the day. You like it, Wyatt?
Yes. I love the acceleration. Super smooth, super quick. I don't know how they do it, but flips and turns, you're not expecting them. It's really good.
Girls, you ready?
I loved it. I thought it had some really good surprising elements. It was pretty smooth. It was really fast. And I liked the animatronics, so I would definitely go on it again.
You would go again. What'd you guys think?
Oh, excellent.
Hagrid's? Enjoyed
Best
it?
ride here.
I have to agree. I loved it.
I like the
Best. You like Velocity?
What's been a highlight of Universal so far?
My probably favorite thing I've done so far is go on Velocicoaster. To be honest, I was a little nervous at first, and I'm so glad I did it. It's such a smooth and fun and exciting roller coaster, and I want to go ride it again right now.
So Melissa, what has been a highlight so far?
I think the best part's been the Velocicoaster. I feel like you leave out of your seat like 100 times, and then at one point you go and they flip you upside down, and I felt like my head was going to be in the water, but it was super cool, top-notch roller coaster for sure.
So So Wyatt, what's been a highlight of this Universal fam trip so far?
Highlight for me was Halloween Horror Nights. Haven't been here before, saw a lot of it over the years. Always thought I'd get here eventually, and I did. It was really fun, good time, especially with a group of people you know. Makes it so much better.
What was the favorite house?
Favorite house for me, I really enjoyed Last of Us because I know that franchise pretty well. Other than that one, I really enjoyed Dark Moon.
Okay, what was the spookiest or like the one that got you the most?
That's going to be a toss-up between Dark Moon and Yeti. Those two had a lot of good jump scares, a lot of people hidden in some ways you're not expecting, so it was good.
Okay, I have two answers, one of which is kind of a cop-out. This is my first time as an adult doing all of Universal, including like Islands of Adventure, Hogwarts Studios, and Volcano Bay, and I'm thoroughly enjoying like doing it all and being like brand new when it's somewhere, because good at Disney all the time, I know like the back of my hand, it's fun to be completely surprised. And then one specific thing, when we were at Halloween Horror Nights, we went and saw the show. It was, something Nightmares, I'm sorry. But the show was the highlight of the night. It was so good. It is definitely an adult-only show, but if you're an adult, it is so good. Best part of the night, and probably one of my favorite things we did this whole trip so far.
So my favorite thing about being here at Universal is honestly the resorts. They are definitely underrated with what they have there regarding food, the pools, and the housekeeping is top notch. They refresh your room every day, and I am falling in love with the resorts.
Think the race through New York?
That was funny. I like the intro too.
The intro was amazing.